Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. Today I'm going to be doing a color combination I would not have come up on my own, but I've seen a lot of YouTubers do it, Katie Carson especially, but she's by far not the only one. And it always seems to kind of relate to like mermaid themes, and I don't know, that's not really me, but in the end it looks pretty good. So I'm going to be doing a 4-color drop swirl in the slab mold. I'm going to have Purple Vibrance from Nurture Soap. I'm going to have Pink Vibrance from Nurture Soap. I'm going to be using Siren Song, which is sort of a teal-like blue from Nurture Soap. And I'm going to be using Tahitian Teal from Mad Micas. Now, without question, the Tahitian Teal and the Pink Vibrance both will have titanium dioxide to lighten them up. The Siren Song may or may not. It depends really on how it looks. The Purple Vibrance is going to be as is. I'm going to fragrance this with Coconut Lime Verbana from Nature's Garden. Once again, I'm going to do this drop swirl into the mold. I may add a hanger tool at the end. It depends on what the batter's like. That's just going to be something I'll determine at the end. But I know this fragrance slows down, so more than likely it will just be a straight drop swirl. So give me a minute to get things set up and we'll get started. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready. So let's get our colors in first. Since these are all micas, they'll all easily hand stir in, so I'm just going to get them mixed in first. And then I will get the TD, titanium dioxide, into the ones that I want to have it. Definitely the Tahitian Teal, definitely the pink, possibly this blue. So let's do the bluish first. It's called Siren Song from Nurture Soap. And I like that, but I think I am going to lighten it. So let's do our Pink Vibrance next. Okay, let's do our Tahitian Teal next. And finally, our Purple Vibrance. Alright, now this color palette looks good just like it is, but once again, these three I want lightened up. So I'm going to put in a half teaspoon of titanium dioxide into each one, and I have no problems stick blending it straight in, as long as I'm using a fragrance that behaves. So that's what I'm going to do. I do want the purple vibrance dark. I want it to kind of stand out. So let me give these a stick blend. Just trap it under the head of the stick blender, burp it, turn it on, and hold it for a couple of seconds to really mix it up, and then lift it up and blend it in. Much better, yep. And I know that the fragrance actually slows things down, so I'm going to hand stir it in and then probably stick blend it. The purple needs to be stick blended anyway because it's just barely emulsified. That rice just a little bit. I don't think I've ever seen that fragrance rice on me, but it's hand stirring out. I mean, it's so minimal, but it is ricing just a little bit. Just a little. So once again, the purple has to be stick blended because it's not well enough. I think those are just like I like them. And this color palette is exactly what I was wanting. Imagine that. So here we go. Okay, I'm back and it's time to cut our soap. The pour went really well. The color palette went really well. Really pleased with it. Nice top. Not sure what happened here. You see that line going across? I just truly don't know what happened there. But anyway, let's cut into it and see what we have. Because so far I'm really pleased with this one. Yep. That green isn't differentiated very well from the blue. That's the only complaint I have, is that's the green and that's the blue. They're not differentiated very well. And let's check out the second log. And I'll finish cutting these. I think I like the second log better because it has more defined, smaller drops, more precise. I think I like it better, but I'm pretty happy with this overall. The only thing I would change is I'd either make the blue a little darker or the green a little darker, either one. But even so, I am still happy with this. Love this fragrance oil. And that's what I have this week. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.